Kryoni, the all-in-one publishing platform that simplifies and enhances the entire publishing process. Whether you're an author, editor, or publisher, Kryoni provides an end-to-end workflow that integrates all aspects of a scholarly publishing into a single efficient ecosystem. From manuscript submission to final publication and content hosting, Kryoni offers an intelligent automation, a structured workflow, and a user-friendly interface to ensure a smooth publishing experience. In this video, we'll walk you through how to register, verify your account, and onboard with Kryoni Journal Management System. To register with Kryoni, open your browser and go to Kryoni website. Click on Journal Management System and move to Access to JMS. You will be redirected to the registration portal where you need to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, click on Continue. Check your email inbox for the OTP code. Enter your OTP. Kryoni uses a secure OTP login based system for quick and safe access. Once verified, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Enter your full name and select the country from the drop-down list. Carefully read and agree the terms and service and privacy policy by checking the box. Click on Submit to complete your basic registration. If you're already having an Orchid account, Kryoni allows you to link it for a seamless authentication. Click on Authorize Now. This will verify your identity as an author or reviewer and make your future login faster and more secure. If you don't have an Orchid ID, go here, click on Register Now and register your Orchid ID and link it to the Kryoni Journal Management System. For now, I'm skipping the Orchid ID registration. Once your registration is complete, you will be redirected to the Publishing House registration page. Once your publishing house is registered, you can manage manuscript, assign reviewers, track decision, and oversee production workflow, all with one centralized platform. In our next video, let's see how to register your publishing house. Thank you.